Hey you guys, welcome back. It's your girl Savvieyoung coming back at you with another unboxing video. So today we're going to be unboxing my air fryer that I ordered online. It finally came. I'm super excited. It's a digital air fryer by, what is this? Iconites? I think that's what it is. Anyways, let's just get to unboxing. Okay, so it comes with this part right at the top, the manual, the phone, this thing is actually really big too. And honestly, when I ordered this, I didn't think that it was gonna be this big, because I ordered the, I want to say the 7-quart one. Is it 7 quarts? I think so. And I didn't think that it was going to be this big, but it's actually really pretty big. So, check it out. Empty box. Is that everything? Yeah, that's everything. Okay, let's unwrap this thing. They literally wrap up everything. Okay. Take this part off. Ooh, that's nice. That is too cute. Okay. So, this is pretty much what it looks like. Oh, there's tape on here, so let me take the tape off. Okay. This tape is the part that you unclick and you pull this out. And actually, you know what? I'm gonna take this and move it into the kitchen. And I'm going to give you guys a better view of how this whole thing looks and how we work it, okay? So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I have it in the kitchen. I have the instructions. They give you extra little tabs, and I'm going to show you guys what those are. But I just wanted to bring it in the kitchen so you guys can get a closer, better view. So this is where you open it. That is the grill that I showed you guys earlier. You place the food on this part. And these extra tabs right here are these tabs in the inside. Can you see them? These tabs that go around the side of the grill. Right there, right there, right there, right there. To actually grip this when you slide it in. So you're gonna take this out. And this is pretty much how it is. This is what it is. If you see the tabs that I was talking about, this is, oh, don't drop. This is the inside. And you place this in the inside all the way down till it goes underneath these two indents right here on every side. Okay, it's in there. This is the part that you pull when you want to lift it up and pull it in there. This is your handle to grip it. You're gonna take it. This right here is like a safety. And you push it and move it forward. This button right here, when you click this button, it takes this whole handle off. So that is how it goes. It takes off the whole handle. Probably for storage purposes, or when you wash it, you take this out. Wait for your stuff to cool down, of course. Take this part off, and then you can put it in the water. You clip it to put it back on there, push it back. This is the inside of it. The heating part up there that you can see where it cooks the food. I washed all of this stuff in the between. When I brought it over here, I washed this and the inside so it can be clean for when I put food in there. You close it. Actually, no, I want to show you guys something before I close it that I think is pretty cool, and I think it's actually good that they did it this way. So here is the plug right here. So I'm gonna plug it in the wall. Don't electrocute yourself. I'll plug it in the wall, and as you can see, it has not turned on, right? The buttons are not lit up, even though the wall is the outlet is, the plug is in the outlet. So it has not, you won't be able to turn it on. This is a touchscreen model, of course, but let me show you. Once you close this, you plug it in and you close it, then only will it turn on. Okay, so now that it's on, let's go over the digital control panel and let's pretty much go through everything. This right here is the French fries. This one is like, it says chops, so it's kind of like pork chops, I'm guessing. This one right here. This one is steak. This one is fish. This one is shrimp. This one is chicken. This is the power button. Ooh, turn it back off. Don't you turn on. No, let's not do that right now. You got to be very careful because as you can see, the touchscreen is like very touch sensitive. So let's close it back up and start over, because I don't want to turn it on because there's nothing in there. So you're going to hold the button. Boom. We're back at it again. So these right here, these buttons are for the temperature. It raises it and lowers it. These buttons are the temperature. Up and down. 350. Well, 356 it'll go on. Okay. This button right here is your timer. So you're going to do like 23 minutes if you see like the time right there. So this is your timer to send it up and your timer to send it down. 20 minutes, cooking for 20 minutes. Chicken is gonna cook for 20 minutes. For example, that's not really what it is, but for example, that's what the screen is showing you. This M right here is your menu button, and it's gonna take you to pretty much how to set up everything that we just went through just now. So when you click these, it's taking you to exactly, you see how it's moving to each one and it's lighting up every time I press it. Now it's on the chicken. And it's, you see that? How it's adjusting the temperature as well. So this is like your automatic, you know? So if you want to cook French fries, boom, press the menu, get it to French fries, and it'll automatically update all of that stuff for you. So then pretty much all you would have to do is turn it on, and it'll start cooking on 20 minutes after you set your timer. Now let's turn that off because there's nothing in there cooking. But I just wanted to give you guys the walkthrough of how it goes. This right here, if you can hear it, that's the fan. So it's either when you start it up, it's going to turn on the fan to heat things up, and once you turn it off, as you've seen, I turned it off, the fan is gonna continue on, but in cool down mode. All of the things that I went over is also in the manual, and it tells you the time, the temperatures, exactly, like if you're cooking something, exactly what it is. If you guys would like for me to cook something for you guys in here and show you, I can make another video. I just wanted this video to kind of be a little short. You know, I didn't want to drag it out because it's pretty simple on how to use this. This is the one that I bought. It's 7 quarts, 6 in 1, so it does 6 different things in one machine. And it's 7 quarts like I showed you guys, so it's pretty big. And you guys can pretty much just go through this. It shows you like how to clean it and different things of that nature, how to cook it, the instructions, how to operate it. But like I said, if you guys want me to cook something, on this in this air fryer. If you want me to cook something in the air fryer, I can do another video. Just let me know in the comments. You guys can like it, comment it, let me know what you want me to cook or what you want me to try out first. But this is pretty much all it is. It's very simple. It's all it is to it. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. So I decided that I'm going to add in this quick little video for you guys. So we're going to make salmon. I already seasoned it. I put melted butter on it. Then I put lemon pepper seasoning, pepper, and a little accent, and I cut them up because it was one long strip, but I just like cut them into 4 pieces. So let's just do this right now. Okay, so we're gonna take this piece, lay it in there, take this piece, lay it in there. And make sure before you even use this thing that you wash it. I think I told you guys that earlier. Make sure that you wash this grill that I'm placing the meat on. That I'm placing the fish on, and wash, like, you know, the inside and everything before you do it. So now let me take that and throw that away. Okay, let me rinse off my hands really quick. Okay, so now you're gonna take it. Now that the fish is in there, you're gonna close it. We're gonna go to mode and switch it to fish. I'm gonna press the plus sign because I want to add more time to it. So I'm gonna put it on 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna press start. And it's gonna start cooking. So I'm gonna come back with you guys when it's all ready and the timer goes off. Right now the temperature is on 370, so, and it's on 20 minutes. So we're gonna see how it's gonna turn out at the end of this video. Hey you guys, so when the timer goes off, it goes blank just like this, and it beeps 3 times, and the fan is still going because I guess this is the cool down process. But like you just heard, once it cools down, the fan will go off and that will go away, and it's still flashing light, like flashing the on and off button to let you know that it's time to take your stuff out. So we're gonna open it up and see how it turned out. Oh my goodness, that looks beautiful. So the fish is nice and crispy. Okay you guys, so I took them out and this is how they look. They look absolutely beautiful. It has a nice crisp on the outside. The only thing about it is the grill, it gets a little like it got a little stuck on there. So if you see that piece that's right there, it got a little stuck when I was trying to take it off. So the only way probably to fix that problem would be, like, for next time, would be for me to just spray something like this, like a little cooking spray on top of the grill, so the food won't stick onto it. But besides that, yeah, just use something like this. But besides that, everything turned out pretty great. That's just the only little thing, it gets stuck on there. But like I said, just spray like some cooking spray so it won't stick, like non-stick cooking spray. But besides that, it turned out lovely. Don't forget that you guys are gonna wait for it to cool down. By this little tab, you're gonna pull it out and you're gonna push this button up right here to unhook it, and then you're gonna take all of this and put it in the sink and wash it, okay? And when you're done, you let it dry, you clip that back on, push that back, and put it right back inside and unplug it, and you're good to go. Don't forget to wash it, you guys, okay? And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.